Today I will solve the Activate Windows. Go to Settings to activate Windows watermark on Windows 11. Let's go start. Method 1. Command prompt. Press the Windows key and type in the CMD and click on Command Prompt into the search bar. Open as administrator. Do you want to allow this app to make change to your device? Press Yes. Now write slmgr rearm and press Enter. Command completed successfully. V. Now close Command Prompt and restart your PC. If your problem is the same, go to the next method. Method 2. Remove background images. Press the Windows key and type in the Control Panel, and click on Control Panel into the search bar. Click View by select Category. Click Ease of Access. Now click Ease of Access Center. Click on Make the computer easier to use. Scroll down and check box Remove background images where available. Click on Apply and click OK. I'll close all Control Panel. Method 3. Registry Editor. Press the Windows key and type in the registry and click on Registry Editor into the search bar. Find and expand HKey Current User. Click on HKey Current User. Click on Control Panel. Click on Desktop. Select Desktop, go to the right site, and search here for Paint Desktop Version. Select Paint Desktop Version and double-click to open it. Now select Hexadecimal Value Data Set 0 and OK. Restart your PC. After restart the PC, don't show the Activate Windows. Go to Settings to activate Windows watermark. So successfully the Remove watermark in Windows 11. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel, please subscribe and notify the bell icon. Click